Hey guys, what's going on? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a contact. So maybe you need to change the mobile number if they've got a new mobile number, or you need to change the name. Say for example, they got married and you want to change their name. This is how you do it. So what you want to do is find your contacts. Let's go in here and let me just come out of there. So say for example, I am going to edit Alex Lee. Don't be worrying about these details because this is a demo mode that is on the Samsung Galaxy S10. So if you want to edit this, all you have to do is tap on the edit button in the bottom left hand corner. And you can see here now that you can edit the name, the mobile number, all the other details that you have put into the contact. Whenever you're done, just hit the save button. And that's how easy it is to edit a contact on the S10, S10e and the S10 Plus. Thank you for watching.